We've partnered with MyLahore, and part of that is for them to deliver masterclasses to our students, which are going to focus on key, authentic Asian cuisines. So, this is an excellent and exciting opportunity for our students to develop skills that are needed within the region.
Purpose behind it is to bring some new generation of new chefs into the industry, bring in the authentic Pakistani cuisine in with the British normal general curriculum cuisine in there. They get a bit of both worlds, you see. So, because obviously it's getting the experience as well as getting the trade side of stuff.
Young people, those who are interested to do something into the industry, the food industry, the beverage industry. We will be having an academy build up with the help of Bradford College, and MyLahore will give them the practical support.
It's been a privilege to work with such a young people, teaching them different technique. Today, very much we having the buffet, seeing the hunger on these young guys, to learn different techniques, cooking techniques, and different food palettes, and flavor profiles. It's been really good, and I'm looking forward to see these guys on the field very soon.
Today we prepared a lot of authentic dishes, so we could serve it all today in the buffet. Working with the MyLahore chefs was really nice today.
It's a new experience. We've been making chicken curry, paneer and onion bhajis, pattern onions, stuff like that. It's been good. I've had lots of fun today.